Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about algebraic equations, more specifically about solving a one-step multiplication equation. Before we get started, let's go over the inverse operation of multiplication. Multiplication and division are inverse operations of each other. The inverse of multiplication is division because division undoes multiplication. Let's say we had 5 times 4. That would equal to 20. However, if we took our answer 20 and then divided it by the number we had multiplied before, which is 4, we would get our original number back. And that's because if we multiply something by a number and then divide it by the same number, it's going to come back to our original number. They basically cancel each other out. Here we have a multiplication equation, which is 2x is equal to 10. Now, our goal is to figure out what x is equal to. So 2 times a number is equal to 10. And in order to solve that, we're going to isolate x. So basically get it by itself. And here we have an equation, but in our equation, we have two sides of it. We have our left side, which is equivalent to our right side. Now, our goal is to get x by itself. So because we have 2 times x, we want to undo the multiplication. And in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and divide. However, we do need to keep our equation balanced. So if we divide by 2 on the left side, we also have to divide by 2 on the right side. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. That cancels out because 1x is just x. We're going to bring down the equal sign. And then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now we could go back and substitute x to see if this is actually true. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10, meaning that x is equal to 5. Here we have 5 times x is equal to 35. And our goal is to figure out what x is equal to. So 5 times a number is equal to 35, and we want to figure out what that number is equal to. So to start us off, we're going to draw a line straight down from the equal sign so we could see both sides of our equation. We have 5 times x, and then on the other side, we have 35, and they are equal to each other. Now, our goal is to get x by itself. So because we have multiplication, we're going to go ahead and divide by the number that is being multiplied by x. So we're going to divide by 5. But whatever we do on the left side, we have to also do on the right side. Now, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And because 1x is the same thing as x, we could just cross it out and bring down the x. Then we're going to bring down the equal sign. Then we're going to divide 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. Now, if we went back and substituted x for 7, we would have 5 times 7, which is equal to 35, meaning that x is in fact equal to 7. Here we have 12 is equal to x times 6. And even though x is now on the right side, our goal is still the same, which is to get x by itself so we could figure out what number we could substitute x with to make this equation true. Now we have 12 equals to a number times 6, and we want to figure out what that number is going to be. In order to do that, we're going to first draw a line coming straight down from our equal sign. And this just makes it easier for us to see what's on the left side of our equation and what's on the right side. On the left side, we have 12, and then on the right side, we have x times 6. Because our goal is to get x by itself, we're going to try to undo that multiplication. So x is being multiplied by 6, And in order to undo that, we're going to divide by 6. Whatever we do on the right side, we also have to do on the left side. Now, on the right side where we have 6 divided by 6, that's going to equal 1. And x times 1 is just going to equal x, so we could just cancel that out. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. We're going to bring down the equal sign and then bring down the x. So this means that x is going to equal 2. And if we went back and substituted x for 2, we would have 12 is equal to 2 times 6, which is true. So that means our answer is in fact 2. So x does equal 2. Here we have 32 is equal to 4 times x. And our goal again is to get x by itself, so we could figure out what number we could substitute x with to make this equation true. So 32 equals to 4 times a number. And our goal is to figure out what that number is. And in order to get us started, we're going to draw a line straight down from our equal sign so that we could easily see the left and the right side of our equation. On the left, we have 32, and on the right, we have 4 times x. Our goal is to get x by itself, so we want to undo the fact that 4 is being multiplied by x. And in order to do that, we're going to divide by 4. And if we divide by 4 on the right side, then we're going to divide by 4 on the left side. And 4 divided by 4 is going to cancel out because that equals 1, and 1 times x is equal to x. Now, 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. We're going to bring down the equal sign, and then we're going to bring down the x. So this means that x is equal to 8. Now, if we went back to substitute, we would get 32 is equal to 4 times 8, which is true, meaning that 8 is our answer. X is equal to 8.